Hello everyone and welcome to the breakdown. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys the best wallet for storing your Bitcoin. Now please do consider subscribing to this channel if you haven't already and liking this video for more awesome cryptocurrency videos 3 times a week. Let's go ahead and jump on into it. Now I'm going to be breaking this video down into 4 different sections. Section 1, online wallets. Section 2, cold storage, hard wallets. Section 3, desktop on your computer style wallets. And then number 4 is trading wallets. Trading really platforms where you can actually go and exchange Bitcoin for other currencies, day trade, swing trade, all that stuff. So first off, for online wallets, I would recommend Coinbase. Coinbase has been tried and true in this industry for a long time, and there's a reason for that. They're trusted, they're gonna keep your Bitcoin safe, and I personally like the platform. If I have a little bit of Bitcoin and I'm wanting to store it somewhere, Coinbase is typically the place that I would do that because it's online, it's easy for me to access. If I have a little bit of Bitcoin, it's probably what I'm using to buy stuff or spend just generally, so that's where I'm gonna keep it. And if you sign up using the link down below, it's a referral link, and you purchase over $100 of any cryptocurrency on Coinbase, you'll get $10 free, and I'll get $10 as well, at no additional cost to you, by the way. So if you're looking to get into cryptocurrency, Coinbase is definitely the best online wallet to do it with. Now, number 2 for online wallets is actually blockchain.info. Blockchain.info has been around for a little while, and I trust them because they seem to really know their stuff when it comes to security. They're not an exchange, so you can't exchange Bitcoin for USD on their site. However, they do have some exchange partners that allow you to do that. But overall, blockchain.info is just a safe, secure place for you to store your Bitcoin, and their transaction fees are going to be a little less than, say, Coinbase or somewhere like that, simply because they have integrated SegWit and some of the other stuff that Coinbase has not currently. I expect Coinbase to integrate that stuff very soon. Now, the safest and most secure way to store your Bitcoin is in a cold hardware wallet, right? So that's going to be something like the Trezor or the Ledger Nano S. The Trezor is the one I would recommend. I personally trust them the most. However, I think the Ledger Nano S has more support for other coins. So if you're not just using Bitcoin, you're wanting to store other coins, the Ledger Nano S is probably going to be the top choice for you. Both of these are linked down below. Do your research on them. Both of them are going to serve you very well, and they're going to keep your Bitcoin safe and offline. But overall, I would recommend you do your own research and see what you need to get your Bitcoin safe, right? Some people are going to love the Ledger more. Some people are going to love the Trezor more. I personally like them both. I would go with the Trezor, but it's up to you. Both are linked down below. Do your own research. People in the crypto space love to say that, so I'm going to say it. Moving on to desktop wallets, there are really 2 wallets that kind of dominate this industry in my opinion, Electrum and Exodus. Both of these have their pros and cons. I personally like Exodus more. You might like Electrum more. Really and truly, they're going to do the same purpose. They're going to keep your Bitcoin as safe as possible, but still host it on your desktop. It's not going to be unhackable. The Trezor and the Nano S are in theory unhackable. A desktop wallet like Exodus is not going to be. However, I personally like Exodus more, but keep these things secure. Those big long 12 or 15 character passcodes they give you, write them down on a piece of paper. Don't put them anywhere online because it is going to screw you if you do. So be careful. That's all I'm saying. Be careful with that stuff. Overall, storing your Bitcoin on your desktop is probably safer than storing it in Coinbase or somewhere like that. So keep that in mind. Now, last but not least, I want to talk about trading platforms because there are tons of different ones out there and a few of them feel more sketchy than others. I personally do some day and swing trading of Bitcoin, so I have to use one of these platforms. The one I personally use is Binance, and there is a link down below to Binance, as well as KuCoin. KuCoin is another good online trading platform. I personally use Binance. I feel like they're more professional. I feel like they're more secure. I just feel better about Binance overall. However, you might like KuCoin best. Look at them, decide which one you want to use. Both are linked down below, and both of those links are referral links just for your information. A little cutback, doesn't cost you any extra money. So there you have it. Those are my recommendations for holding your Bitcoin, what wallets to keep your Bitcoin in, to keep them safe. This is something you've got to worry about. You've got to think about whenever you've got Bitcoin. So there you have it. Let me know if I've missed something in the comment section down below. This has been The Breakdown. Please do consider subscribing to the channel and like the video if you enjoyed it. I'm Nick, and I'm out, guys. Peace.